Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel R Ielts. I'm Ramanvir, your Ielts trainer, going to discuss you about some 6 tips to improve your reading band scores. This video is not only useful for beginners but also useful for advanced students who are troubling with the main question type, that is true, false and not given. You know very well that you always seen this type in one of the paragraph of the reading, then you must watch this video without skipping in order to improve your reading score. Let's start with the lecture. Our first technique is the answer come in the order in the passage. This means that the question to question 1 will be around the first paragraph. Answer 2 to question number 2 comes after that, and so on. Our second technique is look out for the question with the names of people, places, and numbers. This type of answer will be easier to find in the passage. Our third technique is be careful of adverbs of frequency like often, sometimes, occasionally, usually, mainly, etc. This can change the meaning. For example, I usually go to the gym on Saturday. It's very difficult to
I
is very
occasionally
different to I occasionally go to the gym on Saturday. It changes the meaning of the sentence completely. Also be aware of phrases like all, some, most, the majority, many, and many more. Next technique will be watch out some specific words such as know, suggest, believe, claim, see. For example, the passage suggests that there are 4 endangered species on the island. Is very different to there are about 4 endangered species on the island. So you watch the student that a specific word can alter the meaning of a sentence completely. So be aware about these types of words during your reading session. Now let's move to the fifth technique, that is before reading, you will need to look at the title of the passage first. Briefly scan the passage to get an idea about the theme. This should not take more time than 1 minute. Then look at the question number 1, read it carefully, underline some keywords that skim the area of the passage, like paragraph 1, to locate where the answer could be. Then most importantly, read in detail only in the area that you feel that the answer could be there. Most students do not read in detail, and this is where problem occur. And the last one is do not just look for matching words. Look for synonyms and collocations and read the area where you feel that answer could be in more detail to confirm before answering the question. Finally, students, I hope you may understand all the techniques and try to solve very difficult modules with my tips and tricks. Thank you for watching this video. Student, if you want to get more details about the MCQ, matching the paragraph and many more types of questions, you need to subscribe my YouTube channel in order to get latest uploads. Thank you.